I think we need to focus on on one things and make it useful, make it deepening it, strengthening it, make it useful for other. You don't just read and then just understand and then you just forget. It's like wasting time, right? Right? I mean, why do you read? For what, right?
So after reading, we apply.
Yeah, you can apply by like rewrite it, teach to other, and share, connect with other knowledge that you have. Like that. So in my opinion, you read something just in random and then only like 1 or 2% of it just also wasting time. You read the whole you read the whole books, the whole topic is also wasting time because you want to be able to understand the whole things in the world. But I think you have to choose. You can choose, right? Which one is best for this moment?
But I think wasting time is not the right word. Because sometimes there are some people who like the whole process of reading from A to Z. So for them it's not wasting time. For them it's just a process and they like it sometimes.
Yeah.
So I find a person who likes the whole process and they tend to like contemplate through that process. Yeah, but sometimes practical person tend to be more like you choose whatever you like and filter the information and maybe share the important things. Okay, but I don't know. I just feel like wasting time. Maybe
It's a strong word. It's a strong word.
They just spend time for good.
yes. Because like sitting down, people say it's wasting time, but I like it, so why?
Yeah.
Why not?
We're not wasting.
Probably,
We're just spending time.
Yes.
I mean, we don't always want to be in a serious moment,